Yeah, y'all, we back here today. We ain't did no car content in a long time, but man, yeah, life's been lifing, bro. But I did paint this, and I painted that. The current state of the other Accord is pretty rough, honestly. If I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. But the Crow, we do have some coilovers to go put on a Civic today, so I'll cut to that when I'm done with this. Yeah, the state of the other Accord, bro. I don't really think y'all want to see it, bro. If this Crow don't shut up, bro, just shut up, dog. I'm throwing nothing up here. Shut your ass up. But anyways, guys, the state of the other Accord is honestly, it's kind of sad, man. Bro was up there laughing, like, bro, like, let me make a video in peace. Like, literally, bro, shut up. Anyways, here's the side skirt back here. Okay. Yeah, that. It's kind of been robbed of parts, to be honest. But today I'm working on getting wheels back on this thing. I kind of robbed it for parts to put on the other Accord. So yeah, gotta put that back on. Such a cool moth, bro. That's cool. Look at that moth. Let me take a picture of him. Y'all don't know me. I'm a big nature guy too. So I mean, yeah, what y'all can see. Kind of in raw for parts. Trans fluid line came off too, but car still driving fine. Yeah, all we really need to do is get the wheels back on here. I'm trying to get another set of wheels now, but you know how that goes. Let's not step on this moth here. Yeah, this side's the same way. Needs a tire on there. I got the jack on this side. That's pretty much the only thing that's holding this car up right now. So I'm trying to work on getting the wheel on this side and this side. Yeah, bumpers off, grills off. Yeah, man, it's looking rough. My jack quit working. But yeah, it's a little update for y'all. Now we're gonna cut to this video of us working on this Civic. Yeah, this shit's clap, bro.
Overhead, pixelated stars, sunroofs missing on these pixelated cars. HD screens, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on ours. Windows down, let it in the breeze. Real smooth sailing, I be doing this with ease. Smoke trailing out, I ain't even on the trees. I'm just in my notes, writing to combat the deep freeze. I come through with the high degrees, opposite of slaves, also PhDs. But I never cared for the text, I only reply cause I ain't had that many choices. I always had my brain focused on the next masterpiece that will make heard all of our voices. Overhead, pixelated stars, sunroofs missing on these pixelated cars. HD streams, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on 115 PS. Erst in 9,9 Sekunden auf 100 und 185 Dauerschnell. Mit Frontantrieb. Er hat die sportliche Explosivausstattung. Audi 100 Coupé S für eine neue Sportfahrerklasse. Overhead, pixelated stars. Sunroofs missing on these pixelated cars. HD screens, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on us. Windows down, letting in the breeze. Real smooth sailing, I be doing this with ease. Smoke trailing out, I ain't even on the trees. I'm just in my notes, writing to combat the deep freeze. I come through with the high degrees, opposite of slaves, also PhDs. But I never cared for the text, I only reply cause I ain't had that many choices. I always had my brain focused on the next masterpiece that will make heard all of our voices. Yeah. Overhead, pixelated stars. Sunroofs glisten on these pixelated cars. HD screens, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on ours. Yeah. Yeah. You ain't got nothing on ours.
Dieser Wagen hat 115 PS. Erst in 9,9 Sekunden auf 100 und 185 Dauerschnell. Mit Frontantrieb. Er hat die sportliche Explosivausstattung. Audi 100 Coupé S für eine neue Sportfahrerklasse.
Overhead, pixelated stars. Sunroofs missing on these pixelated cars. HD screens, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on us. Windows down, letting in the breeze. Real smooth sailing, I be doing this with ease. Smoke trailing out, I ain't even on the trees. I'm just in my notes, writing to combat the deep freeze. I come through with the high degrees, opposite of slaves, also PhDs. But I never cared for the text, I only reply cause I ain't had that many choices. I always had my brain focused on the next masterpiece that will make heard all of our voices. Yeah. Overhead, pixelated stars. Sunroofs glisten on these pixelated cars. HD screens, but got pixelated bars. My crew do too, you ain't got nothing on ours. Yeah.
Wagen hat 115 PS. Er ist in 9,9 Sekunden auf 100 und 185 Dauerschnell. Mit Frontantrieb. Er hat die sportliche Explosivausstattung. Audi 100 Coupé S für eine neue Sportfahrerklasse.